Hello, my name is Zita from Pacific Science Center, and today I'm here to talk to you a little bit about earthquakes. Now, our planet Earth is made up of a series of plates that are over the crust of this Earth, and these plates of rock move around. And no, I don't mean plates like plates, I mean plates of rock. Now, some of these plates of rock are huge and have land on them, like the North American plate that a lot of us in the United States live on. Other plates of rock might be covered in ocean. But one thing is in common with all these plates of rock, and that is they're very slowly moving around. And when I say slowly, I mean very, very slowly. It takes a year to move millimeters or inches. But we're going to speed things up a little bit today and see how these plates of rock, as they move around, cause earthquakes. Okay, so I have my model here, 2 plates of rock. And there's a couple different ways that these can move. They might move apart from each other, they might collide into each other, and they might slip past each other. Let's take a look at what this means for earthquakes. If 2 plates of rock are coming towards each other, we call this a convergence zone because the plates are converging together. This commonly happens where there's 2 land plates and they tend to lift up like this and form mountain ranges. This is what's happening with the Himalaya mountains, where Indian plate and the plate underneath China are coming together. Himalayas are formed. Now, sometimes you have 2 plates that are covered in ocean, and these plates are diverging. They're moving apart from each other. This is where then lava is able to come to the surface and new land is formed. This happens where seafloor spreading sites in the middle of the ocean. Now, a common thing happening here off the coast of Washington is that we have an ocean plate that is converging with a land plate. The ocean plate is much heavier and it is going underneath the land plate. This is what we call a subduction zone because one plate is subducting or going under the other one. Now, it all is fine and good when these plates move easily past each other, but sometimes a plate will get stuck and there'll be some pressure that builds until suddenly the plates move, and that is what causes an earthquake. If you live near the edge of where 2 plates are coming together or moving past each other, you might live in an earthquake area. So it's a really good idea to have an earthquake kit so that you're prepared just in case one hits. I have a sample kit right here in this bag. It's pretty easy to put together a kit for you and the people that you live with. You'll want to have some water. Great to have a first aid kit. Flashlight and fresh batteries in case you lose electricity. Some food. Some things that you'll need to help keep yourself safe and healthy, like sanitizer, tissue, and toothpaste. A radio is a good idea so that you can get updates from government officials and hear what's happening, as well as a mask because it is likely to be very dusty, and then anything else you might need for your region, like a poncho in case it rains, some warm gear in case it's cold out, and to make sure that your cell phone and your radio can get service, you'll want to make sure that you have a battery and charging cable. And you might have quite a few days without power or electricity, so it's always a good idea to also have some cards or a game or a book so that you and your family can stay occupied and stay safe at home. Well, we hope you enjoyed this look at earthquakes today with Pacific Science Center, and we'll see you later.